You know, in this 15 days of the travel film scholarship, I feel like I've learned more than I would have learned in film school. This was probably the most productive time of my life. Working every day, you know, having at least one drone shot a day, all these compositions, all these interviews. It was awesome.
When I first came on this trip, I was really anxious because I was flying halfway across the world to go and make a film with these strangers. But I guess what I've learned is to sort of throw myself into it and really try and make the most of it.
I've seen places and met people in Mexico that I would not have imagined meeting otherwise. They have so many interesting stories to tell.
It was pretty dope working with Brian.
Brian was absolutely amazing because he's so passionate about the story he's after.
You know that he knows what he's doing. He knows exactly whether you're getting the right kind of sound, whether you're managing your equipment correctly.
The lens is a little bit dirty. I need a... Better?
Much better.
I love the World Nomads Travel Film Scholarship. It's such a wonderful way to go and explore the world. And also, in terms of your skills as a filmmaker, it's a way to take it to the next level.
I think I've learned more than anything with this scholarship. I've learned to work better with the team, learn how to back myself up in every way, but also listen to everyone else on the team.
Here, the people are controlling you. The situation is controlling you. The light is controlling you. And to battle that is a challenge. And I can only take this forward to my other documentary experiences in the future.
For me personally, the biggest challenge was to shoot conservatively. But I think after following Brian around and seeing the way he does it, I've really overcome that challenge, and I'm looking forward to a new way of shooting in the future.
Tips for aspiring scholarship entries: make sure that you follow the brief, that you read it and take it in, and also make a story about something that you're passionate about and that you feel matters in some way.
It's not all about being technically brilliant, it's also about story and how you can get the best story out of your subject.
This scholarship is the bridge between being the amateur and the professional. When I applied for it, I didn't have any hopes of winning it, to be honest. You never know until you try it. So just do it.